Red FM Guts and Glory, Salute 71, honoring the war heroes.
युद्ध में या तो वक्त बहुत तेजी से भागता है या फिर ऐसा लगता है मानो हमेशा के लिए रुक गया हो, क्योंकि युद्ध में हर एक पल बहुत कीमती होता है। रणनीतियां, साहस, इन सब को मिलाकर आगे बढ़ना होता है। और भारतीय सेना सिर्फ युद्ध लड़ती नहीं बल्कि एक नॉकआउट पंच के साथ जीतती भी है, क्योंकि युद्ध में कोई दूसरा स्थान नहीं होता, सिर्फ पहला और विजेता होता है। ओस चाहे रात भर गिरे और चाहे कितनी भी फैली क्यों ना हो, सूरज की एक ही किरण काफी होती है उसे सुखाकर गायब करने के लिए। ऐसे ही धूप बनकर ईस्ट पाकिस्तान के ऊपर गिरे द इंडियन आर्मी और दिलाए बांग्लादेश को न सिर्फ आज़ादी अपनी भाषा की, बल्कि एक आज़ाद हवा में अपना निजी जीवन भी। आज के गट्स एंड ग्लोरी में हमारे साथ है कर्नल BKD बैजल, वीर चक्र, और उनकी वाइफ श्रीमती सरिता बैजल। कर्नल BKD बैजल वीर चक्र के पराक्रम की बात तो उनसे सुनेंगे ही, लेकिन इन दोनों की मुलाकात किसी हिंदी फिल्म की कहानी से कम न थी। कैसे, जानेंगे थोड़ी देर में रेड FM पर। सुनते रहिए गट्स एंड ग्लोरी।
जय हो वीर तेरी जय हो। जय हो वीर तेरी जय हो।
Red FM Guts and Glory, Salute 71, honoring the war heroes.
युद्ध में साहस दिखाने के आपको कई मौके मिलते हैं, लेकिन जो सबसे पहला मौका होता है वो सबसे खास होता है और वही पूरी धारा निश्चित करती है। गट्स एंड ग्लोरी के आज के एपिसोड में हमारे साथ हैं कर्नल BKD बैजल सर, वीर चक्र। इनकी यूनिट की पोस्टिंग थी चांदपुर में और इस पूरे युद्ध के सबसे बड़े और सबसे पहले कामयाब मिशंस में से एक के लीडर ये थे।
I am Colonel BKD Bajal of 111 Gorkha Rifles and had taken part in the Bangladesh war for the liberation of Bangladesh. I was given the task to take the battalion 3 East Bengal Rifles which had defected into India by special train from Kishanganj to Guwahati, which I did. And by 15 September, the entire battalion had moved to Agartala, East Pakistan border. Now during the period from September to November, we carried out a lot of raids on the Pakistani positions. I had 10 trained Mukti Bahini guides with me. With the help of these people, raid their MMG bunker and destroy the bunkers.
तैयारियां पुख्ता थी, रिसोर्सेस कम थे, लेकिन जज्बा पूरा था।
In another case, we took a 57mm RCL gun which fires the rocket, and the villagers helped us in carrying it on a bicycle. So from Sonamura Height, we came down on second evening and reached Rajnagar. And at midnight on 3rd, we crossed into East Pakistan and we reached Kashinagar.
दुश्मन सामने था और गोलाबारी तेज हो रही थी।
The enemy came and occupied the defenses. They were firing at us. We also fired back. And then when we brought down heavy artillery fire, there was a moment of silence there. Our commanding officer decided to put various troops as stops to ensure that the exit routes of the enemy are blocked. One officer went forward and shouted on the top of his voice, "Look, you have been surrounded. Either you surrender or you will all be killed." One hand was raised with white hanky. From the trench, one gentleman came up. "Well, we want to surrender. I don't want any more massacre of my troops." This was the first biggest catch of the Bangladesh war. Our next target was Bushi.
युद्ध का एक मिशन तो पूरा हो गया था, लेकिन अभी भी एक बड़ा मिशन बाकी था। उसके बारे में सुनेंगे कर्नल BKD बैजल, वीर चक्र से आगे गट्स एंड ग्लोरी में। स्टे ट्यून्ड।
जय हो।
Red FM Guts and Glory, Salute 71, honoring the war heroes.
गट्स एंड ग्लोरी के आज के एपिसोड में हमारे साथ हैं कर्नल BKD बैजल सर, वीर चक्र। 1971 बांग्लादेश युद्ध जीतना जितना आसान दिख रहा था उससे कहीं ज़्यादा कठिन था। वो इसलिए क्योंकि मौसम साथ नहीं दे रहा था और बांग्लादेश दुनिया के सबसे कठिन रिवर राइन टेरेन्स में से एक था। नदी, नाले, झाड़, जंगल, पहाड़ सब पार करके दुश्मन को जीतना था और इंडियन आर्मी ने रिकॉर्ड टाइम में ये सभी चीज़ें कंप्लीट की कि दुश्मन की सेना ने सपने में भी नहीं सोचा था कि इंडियन आर्मी ये सारी दिक्कतें पार कर इतनी जल्दी उन तक पहुंच जाएगी।
Our next target was Bushi, and we found that Bushi was not held. So we went ahead and occupied defenses on this road coming from Comilla. Now this road coming from Comilla comes to a place called Muzaffarganj. Now Muzaffarganj is a big communication center. Roads from Laksham, Chandpur and Comilla congregate here. There was a bridge which was a strategic bridge which was being occupied by Pakistani troops. We carried out recce and in the morning we decided to go in for attack. So we captured that place, destroyed bunkers and the Pakistanis were killed and then they ran away. They went to the second bridge and there at that time 3 vehicles were coming from Chandpur side, was fired upon and it toppled. Later we came to know that those 2 vehicles carried the general officer commanding of 39 divisions of Pakistan. Had that been successful, the war would have finished earlier.
चांदपुर के मिशन को लीड कर रहे थे कर्नल BKD बैजल साहब। एक मिशन पूरा हुआ था जिसमें एक बड़ा हाथ बैजल सर की यूनिट ने मारा था, लेकिन अब भी एक मिशन बाकी था।
By 9th we reached Chandpur. Before we could reach, the corps commander landed in his helicopter ahead of us on the road, came back and told us the enemy is running away, so we don't have to go slow, we should go forward quickly. Now we reached there on 9th and then we were told to go around town, see if there are any more enemies. So there we took a lot of prisoners and the battalion commander who was attacking my company, he was also there. He was the 29 Baluch commander and we captured all those people. Now from 9th to 12th we were there in Chandpur carrying out searches and patrolling. Then it was decided that we will go back towards Meghna river through the helicopters and landed on the other side of the river. But on the other side, that is Lakhya river, the enemy was in good strength. So it was planned that on night 15-16th we will go into attack. All plans were made. The assault river crossing across this Lakhya river was done. But when we reached there, we found that the enemy had already withdrawn and gone away from there. After that, for about 2 months, we were at Noakhali, again rounding up people, defending them and finding out if there are any unwanted elements there. So that was that during the war.
अपना पहला मिशन तो कर्नल BKD बैजल वीर चक्र ने पूरा किया, लेकिन इसके बाद जिंदगी का एक दूसरा मिशन शुरू होने को था। उसके बारे में बात होगी इनके बेटर हाफ श्रीमती सरिता बैजल जी से थोड़ी देर में। रहिए हमारे साथ।
जय हो वीर तेरी जय हो। जय हो वीर तेरी जय हो।
Red FM Guts and Glory, Salute 71, honoring the war heroes.
1971 के युद्ध में कर्नल BKD बैजल जी वीर चक्र ने बड़े ही दिलेरी और साहसी दिखाकर अपने सारे मिशन पूरे किए थे, लेकिन एक नया मिशन उनकी जिंदगी का शुरू होने वाला था। वो था लखनऊ के कमांड हॉस्पिटल में उनकी धर्म पत्नी से उनकी मुलाकात।
I'm Mrs. Sarita Bajal, wife of Colonel BKD Bajal. 1971, when the war was on, we were not married, and least knowing that my husband will come to the command hospital Lucknow as a wounded soldier, and I am from Lucknow. Yes, we got married in 1974. The war, in any case, is never a pleasant topic. Being from the army background, I have heard about the war from my father also, because he fought the 1960 war. And so I know about the war. It's never a pleasant thing.
घर वालों की चिंता, खासकर माँ बाप की, वो एक अलग ही चीज़ होती है। वो कभी कभी उस लेवल तक पहुँच जाती है जहाँ तक हम खुद नहीं सोच सकते।
Very emotional moment was that it's not only the wife, it's the mother, which I hear from my mother-in-law when I asked her about the 71 war, how she felt. And the emotional moment was when she showed me his wounded telegram, and that she had put them in an album, and that is where the story she started. And not only this, she was so brave that she told me, I asked her, how did you feel, Mama, when you heard about this? She said that when I got his letter after a few days, a telegram never said anything where he is wounded. So when he got a letter from him, he didn't mention where, what, but she said, I gave it a thought, thinking that if his writing means his right hand is okay. If his thinking means his eyesight and brain is okay. Just sitting up and writing means his upper portion is okay. So he must be wounded somewhere, legs, lower part of the body. Now that was really, really very emotional for a mother to give such a brave answer. I'm proud of her.
जब घर का कोई युद्ध पे हो तो घर का माहौल और मानसिक स्थिति भी बड़ी उलझनों में रहती है। इन उलझनों को पार कर पाना अपने आप में एक युद्ध ही होता है और इसके लिए भी बहुत साहस और संतुलन की ज़रूरत है। इसलिए जाते जाते एक खास मैसेज श्रीमती सरिता बैजल जी से आपके लिए।
The answer for all of them is, it's lovely to be army officer's wife. I am so proud, and now even prouder because the girls and the young girls and the ladies are joining the army, and I'm so happy. Go ahead, girls. Cheers to you for that.
इस बार के गट्स एंड ग्लोरी में पराक्रम और परिवार दोनों की शौर्य गाथाएं साथ चलेंगी। सुनते रहिए गट्स एंड ग्लोरी का ये सीजन रेड एफएम पे।